So go to lmstudio.ai and install the app for your operating system. Then choose your level after opening the app. Continue with the power user option, and now you can see it will show you the best AI model that your hardware can run. If you are okay with that, you can just download it from here and continue. But if you want to explore other models, you can go on the top right and click on skip. So this is how the interface looks like. It is similar to other online AI models like ChatGPT, where you have an input bar, and Chat tab, where you can add new chats with the plus icon. And this is the developer mode, where if you want to debug or write code, this is where you'll find your downloaded models. And in the search tab, you can see there are multiple models available. You can run on your hardware. Just go and select the one you would like to install. It will by default give you the best out of all of them, and you can just search about which model best suit your use case, maybe for coding, maybe for reasoning, thinking, or personalizing, and just download the model you like and start chatting with it, start personalizing with it. Okay, so you have downloaded your choice of models, and you can see them by clicking on this My Models tab. Your models will be here. And now what you got to do is just start chatting. Click on the plus icon, and what you have to do is go here on the top most, and it says select a model to load. So it will show all the models that you have available that you downloaded, and you can click on it, wait for it to load, and then start chatting right away. And one more thing that you can do is you can personalize it. For example, click on this show settings button, and here you can create a new preset, name it, for example, work assistant. So give it your prompt, like, I do this kind of work in my office and I want your help in completing these tasks. So you can give it your own prompt. You can design it like whatever the kind of work you would like to do. You can add as much presets as you like. For example, personal life manager, my health assistant, virtual assistant, work assistant, and switch these personas and then start chatting with it. So it will curate the answers based on the prompt that you give it, based on the preset and the prompt you have here. So it will keep in mind the work assistant preset, and it will answer according to your needs there. You can switch your model anytime, but just start a new chat and then select another model that you would like to chat with, and you can eject it from here to just stop the model. Now this offline AI is your oyster. Customizes it as you like and chat with it, personify it, and get curious.